Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel. The person you're hearing our voice is Demi Igele Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. I welcome you all, my new subscribers and old ones. So sit tight and let's learn together. The fabric on my hand is 2¼ yards of Ankara fabric. You can use 2 years to achieve this style. Okay, so you saw what I did there. I pleated the part from the width, then I use rubber band to hold it, then wear it like cap on my head. Then I pick another rubber band to fasten it together from the front, and I dragged the remaining fabric out completely. Wash my hand closely. I drag the fabric out completely. So now I'm going to start arranging it. Watch closely. The style is very easy, very simple if you focus your eyes. So you see what I'm doing now. I started arranging it, arranging the pleats, not perfect pleats anyway, rough pleats, but still neat and clean. All right, so I took everything to the back. I continued the arrangements. I arrange it. I'm bringing everything to the front again. I continue to arrange it. Watch my hand closely. All right, please watch here now. That rubber band I used to hold it, raise it up and then pass it through. This time around, you're not going to drag everything out. Drag a little bit. All right, so this style that is showing up now, watch that style that is up. If you really want to create that high fan, you drag it out more. You drag it out more like this. So when you open this thing now, you have that height there. But I don't want to create that height, and that is why I drag just very little. So if you want to tie this tie, please don't drag it up like that, or you're going to have a very high height, which you might not like. Okay, so this one is just a little. You drag it while you continue arranging the remaining fabric. Watch my hand closely. Then I drag it out while holding the base to form a height. Okay, then I continue the arrangement. Watch my hand closely. Then I arranged and took everything to the back, twisted it and then tuck it in. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, my channel, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igile Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Please do well to like my video, drop your comment, share my video, above all subscribe, and let us practice together. Let us learn together. Don't just watch and walk away. Please, I am begging you, help me to stay tuned on this channel. All right, so I'm arranging this side now, arranging it so the pleats will be okay. So watch closely. I'm only arranging it. Okay, so you arrange it. We are done tying, just for you to arrange until you get the desired shape or style that you want. So opening this place now, I'm going to stretch everything out. Wash my hand closely. I'm going to stretch everything out, stretching everything out. Then bring the two edges together. I'll bring the two edges together this way, thereby creating or forming a rose there. Then I'll pick my office pin and pin the two edges together. You can see, I said, for my new subscribers, old subscribers, I love you so much. I appreciate you. I welcome you back. And those of you who are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that subscription button, so whenever I drop a post, you will surely get it. Share my videos to your friends and family. Let them also benefit from it. Okay, so you decorate it further using your hair accessories if you like. It's optional, but I love it. It gives your head wrap a positive positive vibes. I keep saying it. Look at it now. All right, so that is what the back look like. So we are ready to dig it out. So wear your dancing shoe and let's dance together. So dance and dance and dance and dance. All right, I love you all. See you in my next video.